the way it's like this. Okay, you see it's like the picture. So this is what you call the pictograph, using picture to represent. So normally pictograph, you have like a picture represent how much, okay, which is what we have learned previously, okay. But pictograph, it can be picture or it can be graph, okay. Lately we've been learning about graph. So some of it can be in numbers as well, okay. So this is the pictograph, okay. But this one, instead of picture, you put the bar, it become a bar graph, And the other type is basically this type, which you have class interval, what number to what number. Then you have the frequency. So there is many ways of data presentation. There's many ways of data presentation. Like you see here is a picture. So you have to count the number by yourself. So you see that there's many types of data handling. So today what we're going to do is that we're going to combine these two together. Okay, we're going to combine these two together. So let's say, for example, okay, let me go through some example first. Okay, let's say, now there is a graph and there's numbers. So now they are messed up. We need to find out which bar is for which one. Okay, so let's do one by one. Let's do one by one. Okay, let's say, for example, you want to find 14. So January, it says it's 14. So this one is 20 something. This one, okay, you see here is 20, 10 and 20, so it's here is half, so it's 15. This is more than 15, so this is out. Okay, so then let's say this one. Okay, you see here is 15, and here is 1 lesser than 15, so this is 14. So this is correct. Here is 14. Okay, so 14. Is this 15? Okay, this one, you see it over here? Yes, it's 15. Correct. So is this 19? 20 below 1? Yes, correct. This is 19. Then next. Okay, this one, is it 26? So here's 20, 25, and 1 extra more. So it's 26 is correct. While this one is 20, so it's correct again. June is 30 plus 1, so it's 31. So this is Budapest is C. Understand? Okay. It might be very hard for you to see because the screen is very small for you to compare. So what I'm doing is that I'm sending this link into the chat. Please try to do it by yourself and then we'll discuss in, I think, let's say here got 9 minutes, in 9 minutes time. Okay? Okay, so I give you 9 minutes time, so let's discuss at, let's say, 6:25. All right?
Teacher, is it to all these questions?
Yes, correct. Okay, so you just have to match it to the correct shape. Okay, so this chart, you see 14 here, you need to zoom it bigger. Okay, 14, correct. This one is 15, correct. This is 19. So you just compare one by one and see which is the chart. We'll discuss this later. All right, I'll give you 10 minutes to do. Okay, match the chart with the numbers.
Teacher, is it count the Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, and do the question?
Yes, it is. Yes,
Is it count plus it together?
and no need to plus, just match. Just match. Like for example, this one, Budapest, is it A, B, C, D, E, F, G?
Teacher, match it. Is it big number to small number?
No. Let's say here, let me get the, okay. Okay, now this chart, okay, let's say this whole chart. I don't know, is it for this picture or 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 this picture? Understand? So I need to see one by one which one is it. So I figure out this one is 14, this one is 14, this is 15, this is 19, this one is 26, this is 20, this is 31. So I got to know, oh, this is the one, this is Budapest.
Okay.
Got it? Yep. Is it done yet? Okay, wait a little. Done yet? Not yet. Okay, how about when it's done, can you just type in the chat? Done. I'll go to a washroom for a moment. Wherever you have questions, please drop me a message, okay? I'll be back shortly. Okay, great. All right. So let's go through together. Let's go through together. Let me zoom a little bit bigger. Okay, let's go through together. Okay. The first question. Here you see it's about 22. Okay, so you see about 22. Amsterdam. Let's check February. Is it correct? Here is 31. Amsterdam, correct. March, here is 35, 36. So 36, correct. April, 26, correct. So May, here is 15, 16, 17, 18, correct. June, 10, 11. So the first one is Amsterdam. Amsterdam is A. Got it? Okay. You use your computer to zoom bigger, okay? Because that depends on your computer resolution. Okay, because if I zoom too big in, I can't see all the chart. Okay, so it's gonna be really small for my screen. So you have the link, you can zoom it bigger. So the first one, 16 good, 29 good, 40 good, 34 good, 27 and 16. Fantastic. So this one is Helsinki. So this is B. Okay, so this one we know is Budapest is C. Next, this one, 19, good. 36, good. 16, good. 25, good. 21, good. 15, good. All right, so fantastic, Jensen. D, Stockholm. Next, this one, January 15, good. 8, good. 22, good. And so on and so forth. So this is Lisbon. Lisbon. E. Okay, next. Moscow, 30 something. 31. Good. So this is Moscow. This is F. And this G here, G. 12, 5, 14. 12, 5, 14. Good. Okay, so this is Bern. Okay, next, H. Okay, H, we have done Dublin. Okay, then after that F, understood. Copenhagen. Okay, do you understand how to see or not? I can see Jensen understand it. How about Joanna, Yuna, and Harold? Do you understand?
I haven't finished.
Okay, it's okay. You haven't finished, it's fine. But do you understand how to see it and how to write the chart? Okay, why I need you to understand is because next time. Okay.
How to do?
Okay.
Teacher, how to do? I don't know how to do.
Okay, let me do another way around, okay? Let me just zoom into one, okay? Let's just zoom into, let's just say this one. Okay. Okay, let me show you how to get it done. All right, so let's assume this one. Let's do F. Okay, let's do F. Let me clean it up a little bit. Okay. So let's say they give you a picture of F. They give you a picture of F. Okay. Then they ask you, please fill in the blanks. Please fill in the blanks. What you need to do is that, excuse me, Harold. Clear, please, Harold. Okay. So let's say, for example, January. You see, this is January, right? So this is January, right? Okay, so January, you want to find out how much. So you see here is 10. Okay, so can you see here is sticker line? So here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you see sticker line? So you just fill in here is 15. Understand? Okay, Jensen, can you fill in how much is February? February until here. How much is this? See 15, 16, 17, 18. So Jensen, can you write and annotate? Write February. Fill in the blank here. Okay. Next. Harold, can you do over here? See the line is until this line. This line. So how much is it, Harold? Here's 20. 21. 2. And is it just 2 or 22? It's 22. Understand? Okay, next. Joanna, April. The line is this one. How much is it, Joanna, for April? April, yeah. How much is this? Can you see a thick line? It's 25. Then
7. 20.
good. Yuna, May, how much is it? Here.
15.
Fantastic. Okay, so everyone understand this, right? So basically, if you know how to fill in this one, it's the same thing like what we did just now. So sometimes the question will go the other way around. Okay, so sometimes the question will go, let me clear everything. Okay, so that is one way. So you know how to match it, you know how to fill in by yourself. Let's assume the other way around. This one I don't know how to draw. Okay, so they might give you something like this. Okay, the question might go like this. The question might go like this. Let me put transparent. I need transparent. Oh no. Okay.
I can't see anything now.
Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, let's say for example, they say January is 14. So you need to draw by yourself 14, the bar chart. Okay, so let's say for example, you need 14. Let me change the color.
I know already.
Why I cannot change? Please change.
Teacher, is it there has clear
That's right.
overly?
So you know here is 14, so you draw the 14 like this. Okay, in the middle. So here is 15, you know here is 15. You draw it like this. Okay? Understand? Okay. So sometimes they might give you the drawing, you fill in the blank. Sometimes they might give you the blanks, you do the drawing. Either way. Understand?
Understand.
Okay, so that's pretty much what we learned today. Okay, one more thing, let me explain to you. Okay, let me share one more thing. Okay, so basically you need to know this one is what I call the bar label. Bar label is the bottom label, which is soccer, softball, netball, other. So this is what I call the bar label. Okay, so the x-axis is this one. This is x-axis, which is like sports. Y-axis is the number. Y-axis. Okay, so x-axis is also called horizontal axis. Y-axis is also called vertical axis. Okay, which is the number of students. So the scale is basically this one. Jump 1 time, 2 time, or 3 time. This is what I call scale. Okay, it's like 10, 20, 30, 40, or it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the scale. Okay, this thing is like a chocolate bar. That's why it's called the bars. This is key because it has to indicate like blue color means it's boy, green color or whatever color means it's what. Then the top portion is the title. Simple? Okay, so basically just to do a recap, the top is the title. Okay, then after that, this is what you call the x-axis, and this is what I call the y-axis. Most popular is the most, least popular is this. Understand all the labeling. Okay, do you guys understand the labeling? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you understand? Hey, say yes, then we can finish the class already. Answer me, please. Don't make me sing a song by myself. Do you understand all the labeling?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all for today's class. All right, so today only two homework. One is the labeling and the other one is match, which we have all the answers just now already. Okay, any questions? That's all for today. Hooray, good night.